How to log into Instagram without verification code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log into Instagram without a verification code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have Instagram app and you want to log into your account, you normally open the Instagram application here. You enter your login credentials, and if it is correct, you'll be logged in. Now, you'll only be asked to verify if you have turned on two-factor authentication, or if you're logging in from a very new location and a new device. That's when Instagram is going to ask you to verify. As long as you don't have two-factor authentication enabled, you're not going to be asked to verify anything. You'll just be straight logged into your account. However, you can also log into your Instagram account without verification as long as you have saved it. Even if you have two-factor authentication turned on, as long as you have saved the account like I have on my Instagram app. If I just tap the login option here, now remember I have 2FA turned on, I will still be able to log in. If it says you to verify, then there's no way to not verify it, because of course you have to either verify your phone number or your email or the device where you last used your Instagram application. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.